yesterday, Supreme Court has taken suo motu cognizance of 78 pilgrims dying in Amarnath within few days of the pilgrim path opened. Last year, the whole the whole season of pilgrimage, only 82 people died. This year, already 78 people within few days. Supreme Court has taken a suo motu cognizance and they asked the central government and state government of Jammu Kashmir and Amarnath Ji Shrine Board, the authorities, to come and explain. Death toll is actually 83, not 82, sorry, 83. Media reports are saying these guys don't even bother to create basic amenities. China seems to be much better in taking care of Kailash Yatris than Jammu Kashmir government taking care of Amarnath Yatris. Because they provide more facilities and safe trip. Even Kailash, so many people don't die. Such beautiful infrastructure is created. I am taking pilgrims, yatris to Kailash, but I am afraid to take people to Amarnath. Still I have not taken people to Amarnath, which is inside India. These guys don't care. Hindus need to tell, we are international minorities. See, now it is time. Whole world is one country. So we will have to again and again remind the world, we are international minorities, being persecuted everywhere, unattended everywhere. Come on, there is so much of money. Hindus pour for the religious traditions and religious rituals. Just my native town temple, Arunachala temple, that income is more than enough to make a 4-lane road to Amarnath. 1 year income is enough. But every state, it's really painful to see so many pilgrims dying in Amarnath, and Supreme Court has to take suo motu cognizance to save the pilgrims. I have immediately donated 10 lakh rupee to Hindu helpline to save Amarnath Yatris. As our humble contribution, VHP has taken up the job of setting up a private Hindu helpline to save the lives of the pilgrims, and we are also going to give more. We will be continuously giving more money. Of course, I am not going to touch the money which I allotted to Kailash. That is only for Kailash Nath. But there is so much money. We Hindus are very religious people. There is so much money sitting on our in our hand to promote our tradition and to support the people who are practicing our tradition. It's much worse than China government. I was shocked when China government did not accept. Of course, they have their own procedures. They do not want to accept any donations from outside or doctors from outside. But what about Amarnath? Why can't they just save the lives of the people who go to this Amarnath temple? People have to become aware, whatever religion they may be. But these basic things should be provided for every person who takes up the religious pilgrimage. Maybe when I come back from Kailash, I may go and stay in Amarnath for a week just to do social service. Not as an organized trip, just to do social service, to take care of people and give medical help and medical support, and really wanted to go and take care of the Amarnath Yatris. And I also tell you guys, from next year, I will surely take you guys to Amarnath. We will go to Amarnath also. We will go to Kailash and Amarnath also, because I wanted to make sure that we put our effort to support the Yatris of Amarnath. "83 people dying in cardiac arrest, or I can say safely, allowed to die, made to die." That's the right word I'll use. Allowed to die and made to die. Should not have happened. Anyhow, I started with religious conversion and went all around up to Amarnath and came back. All right, let's have just Amarnath Ji Darshan. We have come all the way. This is his cave where he sits in tapas. Can you show the Amarnath Ji? These are small deities worshipped there. Yes, now you can see Mahadeva. Great.
Paramahamsa Nityananda, a rare living incarnation, is named among the world's 100 most spiritually influential personalities today. Paramahamsa Nityananda has been placed alongside Dalai Lama, Nelson Mandela, Oprah Winfrey, Paulo Coelho and others by Mind, Body, Spirit, the world's top esoteric magazine from Watkins, London's oldest and largest bookstore. A yogi by birth, he has been expressing his power of enlightenment since birth. He has authored more than 500 books in Tamil and English. Translations of these books are available in 26 languages in Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Hindi, Sanskrit, Gujarati, Oriya, Bengali, Marathi, French, Malay, Polish, Portuguese, Italian, German, Danish, Spanish, Russian and Chinese. He is also an exemplary speaker with over 10,000 hours of profound life solutions through his discourses. Social services such as Annadan, free medical care, free educational services with ashrams, schools, temples, hospitals established in more than 140 places around the world, offering exceptional services. A powerful spiritual healer who has healed millions of people of diseases from migraine to cancer. A Kriya Yogi who has formulated Kriyas for physical health and mental well-being, benefiting thousands. A living master who offers practical solutions for our everyday problems. He is the founder and spiritual head of Nityananda Dhyanapitham, a spiritual powerhouse who has revived the sacred Vedic tradition by establishing Vedic temples in places like Los Angeles, San Jose, Seattle, Toronto, Ohio, Oklahoma, Phoenix, St. Louis, Malaysia, Brazil, Paris, Guadeloupe, Dallas, New York, New Jersey, Atlanta, Calgary, Vancouver, Singapore, and places in India like Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Tiruvannamalai. A spiritual guru for 10 million followers, an incarnation who transmits the highest spiritual energy through initiation, a contemporary yogi who has revived the Vedic science of yoga worldwide through thousands of yoga centers, an adept in Ashtamahasiddhis, mystical yogic powers, who has effortlessly awakened the Kundalini of thousands and graced them with spiritual powers, a dynamic young guru who is an inspiration for thousands of youngsters, India's most watched spiritual guru online, a beacon of spiritual light who has triumphed over the forces of religious terrorism and political persecution. Paramahamsa Nityananda is an eternal Kalpataru, blessing the world with the boons of material abundance and spiritual enlightenment.
Anandanubhavaswadam sarvaroganivarakam Vande Papa Vinashaktam Nityanandaya Swagatam Nityamuktam Nirvikalpam Dhyanaloka Pradipakam Vande Shantamayam Bandham Nityanandaya Swagatam Anandagandha Sancharam Sarvopadhi Vinirmuktam Vande Jnanalayam Natham Nityanandaya Swagatam.
Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bangalore 562109. Contact 097422033311. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.